Buongiorno. We finally made it to a boat. It was so confusing. First of all, coming down here, it was like we couldn't find the port. You just pretty much had to follow like the signs and ask. To your hotel for a map, and that's what we did. We just followed the map that the hotel gave us and just made it down here. And there's so many options to take, like mini cruises to like Capri, Positano, and Almafi. However, as you can tell right now, it's so windy and the sea is very rough. So to Positano there wasn't any boats. So the only option we had was really just to go to Capri, which is a little island off of the Almafi coast. And we're just gonna go there and explore, and we can come back anytime till 3. So we have enough time to explore there. And then we're probably gonna come back, and we have a car, so maybe we'll just drive to the other places. Oscar's been a great driver. Is it scary driving here, babe? What tips do you give to people that are gonna drive here?
Don't drive here unless you've been driving in bad areas before.
Yeah, I mean, it's scary, but it's doable. I mean, it wasn't too scary. So we'll see you guys at Capri. This boat ride is crazy. The big one.
I feel like being on a roller coaster. I hate this.
Look at the waves, guys. We made it to Capri! After a very hard ride here, we are finally here. I was a little bit disappointed because we obviously haven't gotten really good weather. Yesterday was raining the whole day, and today the water is really rough, so we couldn't really take excursions to where we wanted to, like the Blue Grotto and all of that. However, we were like, okay, well, we can't control the weather, so it's not our fault. So we're gonna take another excursion to like the other side of the island. on the road of 1,000 bends because it's literally, you're going through the edge of the mountain, the sea is on your right side, and then you're passing through these beautiful towns, but it is so scary. I'm like on the edge of my seat, and Oscar's doing such a good job, but some cars get so close to you, and sometimes you have to get to their lane because there's cars parked like right next to it. So can you guys see this? Like, it's kind of scary.
They like get on your lane even when they don't have to. They get on your lane.
Yeah.
Or the big buses.
The big buses are, yeah, the big buses are scary. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay. But look at this beautiful view. Oh no, someone's getting towed. Yeah, someone's getting towed over there. We have 13 minutes for our reservation, so we'll see if we make it or not. It says we'll make it at 7.
So you are in Positano or in Sorrento? Where do you have it?
We're staying in Sorrento.
Sorrento. Here it is.
Not too far from here.
Yeah.
Just 30 minutes.
Yes.
Yes. But a very stressful drive.
And the
This is Oscar's food. This is my risotto of seafood. We got some awesome wine. And we got a great view.